Okay, here's a quick demonstration and review video of simple and compound meters that we studied last quarter. 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, and 6, 8, 9, 8, and 12, 8. So there are duple meters, triple meters, and quadruple meters. How do we know? It's a number of beats in each bar. So 2, 4 is duple, 3, 4 is triple, and 4, 4 is quadruple. And how do we know if a meter is simple or compound? It's whether the beat, each counting pulse, can be divided into 2 equal parts or 3. For instance, if it's 2, 4, each beat, a beat is quarter note. And quarter note can be divided into 2 eighth notes, right? But if it's 6, 8, 6, 8 has 6 eighth notes, and those eighth notes are grouped in threes. 3 eighth notes would be one group, which make one beat, one counting pulse. So each beat contains 3 eighth notes, meaning beat is divided into 3. So that's why 6, 8 is a compound meter. So is 9, 8, and 12, 8. All right, so let's conduct, starting with 2, 4. So here's a metronome. So you hear an accent on beat 1. Here we go. 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. If you're right-handed, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you're left-handed, 1, 2, 1, 2. If I add upbeat, eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and if I sing 16th notes like 1 E and a B, 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a. You can practice like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a. Got it? Then let's do 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Oh, I forgot to mention, when you conduct 2, 4, make sure you start from approximately your eye level. Don't start from outside. You go from the center, in the middle. 1, 2, you go outward, inward, outward, inward. And 3, 4, you also start from eye level, both hands, whichever the hand you use. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 outward, 3 upward. 1 down, 2 out, 3 up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 and a 2 E and a 3 E and a. Okay, let's do 4, 4. 3, go. 1, 2, oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So always start from eye level. 1 drops down, hit, like make a tray. 1, 2, 3 out, 4 up. 1 bounce up, 2 inward, 3 out, and 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's always a good idea to have like a tray with the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you're left-handed, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now we move on to compound meters. Let's start with 6/8. So 6/8, 6/8 notes in a bar, but they are grouped in groupings of 3 eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/8 is usually faster. That's why they grouped 3 as one chunk, one beat instead of 2. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And usually it's like skipping rhythm or jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when you practice conducting, it's always a good idea to clap and use your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you conduct. When you conduct in 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. Oops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like da 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 da. Whatever the rhythm is, I'm just making it up. Let's do 9/8. 9/8. 3 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So you conduct in 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, like this. And lastly, 12/8. What's 12 divided by 3? 4. So you conduct in 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Okay, let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. All right? I hope that helps.